If you're running Windows 10, look, no hate, I get it, but there are some really good reasons why it is time now to move. Hi, this is Tracy Patterson. I Get It Tech class with the question of the week, where I answer a question that I got last week. So I have a client that got a call from their IT, their tech support company, saying that it was time for them to upgrade their computers, which were Windows 10 computers, to Windows 11. They checked in with me, I do their training, and they asked, okay, is this just a money grab, or are they just trying to get some money, or is this a thing that we need to do? Dude, this is a thing you need to do. Now, Microsoft has announced for a while that it will no longer support Windows 10. It was distributed in 2015, and as of October 14th this year, 2025, it is at what Microsoft calls its end of life. That means no more upgrades, no more updates. So when a problem is found, Microsoft is not going to support it or fix it. If there is a security hole that is found, Microsoft is not going to fix it. If you're running Windows 10, look, no hate, I get it. What you have is working, it has been working, why mess with it? But there are some really good reasons why it is time now to move over to Windows 11 if you are still running Windows 10. Are you still running Windows 10? Let me know down in the comments. Not sure if you are running Windows 10? Okay, here's the easy way to see. Look down at the taskbar and your menu that are on the bottom of your screen. If you are running Windows 10, it will look like this. And if you're running Windows 11, it will look like this. Here are 4 reasons why it is time for you to sit down and think about upgrading to Windows 11 from Windows 10. First, it's free. Costs nothing to go ahead and do this. The security risks. Like I said, if security holes are found in Windows 10 after October, Windows will not be fixing them. So what does that mean? Hackers like to create malware, those nasty computer bugs that look for and exploit holes in security and do whatever little nasty things that they can think of to do, like infect your computer with virus or lock down your files for ransom. Not to mention the security holes that hackers can find. There are already vulnerabilities with Windows 10. For instance, your Wi-Fi credentials can be seen by your contacts in Facebook, Outlook, and Skype. So it's time to go ahead and probably move over to a more robust operating system. Thirdly, you can have compatibility issues if you continue to use Windows 10. So those developers who create applications and programs, they create them for the latest, greatest operating system. Whether it's an Apple OS, Linux, Windows, these newer applications might not work well on Windows 10. They're not built to be compatible with some of the probably outdated features that operating system has. For instance, Adobe has announced that it's going to level down its support of applications that run on Windows 10. So if you need to use Photoshop or Illustrator, for instance, you might find those applications don't work as well on a Windows 10 computer, and there are no fixes in sight. Printers are another case where they like to work with the latest operating system. So a newer printer might not work with a Windows 10 system because the manufacturers create drivers, little pieces of software that let the printer communicate with the computer. They create drivers for the most current operating system. They tend not to go backwards and create for older operating systems. So if you buy a new printer and you try to install it to work with a Windows 10 computer, you might have issues. You might get stuck with a printer that doesn't work with that computer. And fourthly, not updating your operating system can cost your business some time or money. First, like I said, applications and programs are written for the latest operating systems, especially to take advantage of security features. So if you're running particular programs that require a level of security, say for instance like a payroll program or a bank app, they might not run well or run at all on an older operating system because it's just not secure. If you have trouble getting your payroll out, you can have some problems. Secondly, if you share files, if you have a network in your business where you're sharing files, let's say a shared drive or a public drive, viruses can be spread through those shared files. You've got a vulnerability for all your computers. Thirdly, you might even have compliance issues. If your business needs to work in a regulatory framework like HIPAA or GDPR, they require that software be updated and secure. If not only is your business risking a data breach, somebody coming in and getting that data, you are also risking fines for being non-compliant. Not too long ago, University of Iowa was fined almost $500,000 because ransomware was found on systems that had not been updated. And it was specifically, that was the exploit where the ransomware got onto their system. So there you have it. Upgrading to Windows 11 is not just about a cosmetic change, but it's about staying secure and ensuring good performance. Your next steps: try to upgrade your computer to Windows 11. And if, unfortunately, you find that your computer is not compatible with Windows 11, this might be the time to start exploring new options for an updated computer. Look for something that fits your needs, whether it's for business, gaming, or everyday use. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like. And consider subscribing so you can get notified when I come out with more videos with computer tips and hints and training. Have a question about upgrading to Windows 11 or anything else? Leave me a comment. I do look at them. And if you're feeling stuck and don't know where to begin, I got you covered. You can book a call with me, one-on-one. See the link below. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.